All right, bring the first one down easy. Watch the ramp, keep it steady. Good, next one coming. Last one, push through. Look at them go, locking horns like it's a game.
It's all in good fun. See how they push back?
Yeah, it keeps them active and strong.
Definitely. The whole herd is getting in on it.
Keep them moving, up the ramp. Push them through, don't stop. Good pace, keep it up. Almost there, load them steady. Easy now, keep it steady. Move along, don't stop. Watch the dust, keep pulling. Almost there, steady. Yeah, get on in there. Keep them moving, boys. Hit them up. Easy now, settle down. Good work. This one's coat looks healthy, good sheen. Yes, and the eyes are clear. Next one, check for any swelling. Understood.
Keep them moving forward. Got it. This one's strong. Watch the horns. Tap them steady. Almost there. Good pace.
Yeehaw! Keep it moving, fellas. That's it, straight on through. Good pace, keep them tight.
They're really thirsty today. We need to fill the tank soon. Good idea. The heat's not letting up. They look content, at least. For now.
All right, let's get this stubborn dirt off you. Hold still, boy. Almost done. There we go. Yeah, much better.
Flow rate is dropping. Adjust the pressure. Increasing to 50 psi now. Good. Monitor for any agitation. They're steady. No changes.
This should soften it up.
Good. It's coming off easier now.
One more pass.
Almost done.
Looks good. Let's check the grain. It needs to be even. It's good. Now check the stretch. Okay, it looks ready. Let's load it. All right, in it goes. Start the drum.
Ready? Pull down. Pull it. Get ready. Pull that. Let's blast it.
Ready? Pull! It's moving! Keep it steady! Almost there! God! One last tug.
Humidity is drifting. Let's adjust.
Agreed. I'll handle the humidity.
Increasing temp to 46.2.
Humidity is at 58.5 now.
Good. Stabilizing. Let's check this height. The texture looks promising.
Right. The color is even, but let's measure it.
Using the tool, the reading is consistent.
Good. This one passes. Let's check the next.
Agreed.
Steady pressure. Watch for uneven spots. Got it. Smoothing out. Good. Now check the corners. Yeah, much better.
Let's scan this batch. Got it. ID verified.
Good. Next one on the shelf.
Ready?
Let's scan this batch.
Scanning now. Tag confirmed. All good. Next one.
Great, keep going.